Hi guys, my name is Courtney and today I'll be teaching you how to make a stop motion. So first you need a big flat surface like a desk or a table, a base plate to put your Legos on, a background, lights, a camera, a tripod or a stand, tape, and obviously Legos. But first, before we start getting into the stop motion, we gotta make sure we have a story. So one thing that you guys can do is make a storyboard. Why should you make a storyboard? It's a plan for your production. It'll be in an order where everything is laid out and how visuals interact. And it'll help you not forget any shots when it comes time for filming. It also saves you a lot of time with trying to figure things out on the spot. So the next thing is we need something for you to record off of. This could be your phone or a camera. A phone's good too, but if you use a camera, it allows you for more possibilities to help make your stop motion look a little bit more professional. Use a stand or tripod to minimize camera movements. The more camera movements you have, the more shaky your stop motion will be, and that's what we're trying to reduce. It's also recommended that you have a remote or a camera app like I have here, so you don't have to keep pressing the shutter button on the camera, which could allow shakes. For beginners, it's easiest to use a lens that you can zoom in and out of with because it'll make your shots more easier to control. Make sure you're using manual mode or manual focus to focus on your Legos. It'll be a lot easier than using autofocus because when it tries to focus on something else that's moving, you're going to lose your focus. When doing stop motion, it's really important to think about your lighting. We don't want to use anything that's natural light, such as coming from a window, because when sun gets covered by clouds and you take photos, that could create some flicker because there's different changes of light everywhere. If you use something such as desk lamps, you have a constant light ability. When filming your stop motion, make sure when you move your objects, it's the littlest bit possible. Slowly easing in, move a little bit more, and then moving out. This can make your stop motion look a lot more smoother than just choppy movements. Moving too much can make it seem very slow. Your Lego set may look like this, or like this, or even something like this. You don't have to have a big and complicated set when you're making stop motion, especially when you're first starting out. When you're building your stop motion set, it's important to think about the background first. And you can be as creative as you want with this. You could paint things, you could use a colorful Bristol board, you can use a cloth, you name it. Your background will really help make your set come to life. And even though this is a Lego stop motion, you don't always have to use Legos for the ground. You can use any type of thing to use for the terrain. You can use sand, dirt, mud. It'll be a little difficult though. So as a starter, I would use just a base plate. But if you want to get more advanced, you can use those things as well. So as a recap, a storyboard will help you stay on track with your filming. Having a camera with a remote so you avoid unnecessary camera movements. Light set, light up your whole set. Even some creative lighting to help set the mood. And trying to move your pieces as little as possible to have a smooth stop motion. Now with using everything we've learned today, I'm going to show you a stop motion that I've made myself. It's very beginner friendly and you could do it too.
Hey you!
Me?
You dropped something.
Oh, thanks, I forgot.
Thank you guys for watching, and to learn more helpful tips, visit us at filmcampforkids.com and register for one of our online classes or our week-long online filmmaking camp.